Hello and welcome back to yet another short lecture only at DentoTatva. In today's short lecture, I will be focusing on the procedure related to access opening in anterior teeth, maxillary as well as mandibular. So some of the points that should be kept in mind when doing the procedure is when we talk about anterior teeth, the main access entry is gained through the lingual surface of the anterior teeth unless there is severe abrasion which could potentially lead to excess loss of your buccal or facial tooth surfaces. In those cases, we will not be touching the cingulum and gain access through buccal surface. Apart from these cases, in majority of the cases, the entrance is gained through the lingual surface. Exact center of the tooth or exact center of middle third of the tooth is the main entry point just above the cingulum. So the initial entry, we do it with a number 4 round burr which is positioned at the right angle to the long axis of the tooth, and once we feel resistance, we will position the burr parallel to the long axis and then go forward until we feel that there is a fall, we feel a drop in the burr and we feel that there is no resistance. That is the point where we have gained access into the pulp chamber. Now, few points that we must keep in mind is that we have to remove the lingual shoulder as well as the buccal overhang so that we gain a SLA, that is straight line access. If we fail to achieve straight line access, there is a possibility that we might end up cutting excess amount of tooth material, leading to thinning of wall, gouging and potential perforations. So these are some of the pointers which should be kept in mind for maxillary teeth. For mandibular teeth as well, the rules will remain the same. Only thing that should be kept in mind is the extremely narrow lingual surface. So the chances of causing perforation in such cases is the risk is higher. So we need to keep in mind that we stick to using small round burrs and avoid removing excess tooth material which could potentially lead to lateral perforations in case of mandibular teeth.